morning, viewers. Good morning, viewers. Good morning, viewers. There you go. Welcome to another episode of Small Engine Velocity. Today, I am riding the Ruckus. I did a valve shim job on here so that my wife could drive it because it was not staying running. I had to keep giving it gas at intersections, and normally what would happen is that it would run. I mean, it would have a hard time starting, but then after a little while running, then it would be okay. After a while, it took longer and longer for it to run, to stay running. I did the shims, and now it runs like a top again. It's amazing how little it takes to do the valve lash with the shims. I did drop one of the shims in the motor, but I mean, I just fished it out with a magnet. Everything's great. Or I had to tilt it forward a little bit to just move it out from the back of the motor, and then used a magnet to fish it out. But it was weird because I went from a 1.9 shim on the intake side all the way down to a 1.8. So I lost 0.1. I don't know. It seems weird, huh? But anyways, today is the first ride, or at least the first long ride, the commute to work with the new settings on here. I started to make a video on the valve shims, but the sun went down and it got really dark and it was really hard to finish the job because it was like 10:30 at night. Mosquitoes were eating me and I was getting really frustrated. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a how-to on the valve shims on the intake and exhaust side, because I'll spend a whole day. I won't change anything, but I'll open it up and show how to change everything and the little techniques that I used. I feel like there's good videos out there already, but I don't know if anyone wants a small engine velocity version, because really I want to do is try to get really close to the valve shims and see if I could get everyone to see exactly what it's supposed to look like, so they have a little bit more of a better idea of what they're looking at. Giant pieces of rug. It's like that one spot always has construction pieces like drywall, or there's a big giant piece of a carpet this time. See, I'm pretty typical, 44. Let's see if I can get it to go a little faster. Tuck, pull my knees in, and go. My wind sail of a body. So we went on a group ride yesterday on the Lafon. Me and my wife rode 2 up on it, and I think I'm just being paranoid, but like I have PTSD from that ticking sound from when the Lafon started to stop working, and for some reason the tick seems really loud to me, and I can't really hear it too bad, but I feel like I can hear it a lot from even with my helmet on. So I may take it back to the shop, because I already messaged them saying I don't know if it's ticking really loud or if it's just me, and take it back to the shop and have them like look at it again. The problem with it is they can't really adjust the lifters if the bike is hot, so it has to stay over there for a day. Then when they're open, it's during the week, and their business hours are when I'm at work, so I can't get it until a whole nother Saturday, and that's if I can make it even up there on a Saturday. So yeah, it sucks. Alright, probably gonna stop by the gas station later on. Oh, not probably now. It's on. See, look, orange light. Oh, the ground's wet here. Did it rain? rain. Crap, please don't spray water all over my back. I just washed this thing. I don't want to get my freaking backpack wet again. Look, when did it rain? It's like, there's not a cloud in, well, okay, there's clouds in the sky, but like it looks like it's a recent rain. This stinks. And I'm gonna get water all over my helmet. There's probably water all over the camera lens now. Let me wipe it off. Is that better? I wonder if Rain-X will work on a GoPro external case to keep water from forming on it. Okay, gas station's coming up. I don't know how much gas I'm gonna need, but I'm gonna put like straight up $2. No, $2 and depends on the gas price. Let's put it that way. Slid into the intersection. I don't know, you couldn't tell, but my butt was sliding back and forth. Wow. That was the most that was the craziest slide I've ever done on this thing. But the important part is that it was controllable. I'm at the gas station. It is $2.44 a gallon. That is not bad. I will go inside, pay for some gas, and I will see you in just a second. Alright, gas in the tank. I paid for $2.30. I could have put a little bit more, but now if you look, I dropped my keychain. Hopefully I don't slide through any more intersections. It was pretty scary. And my hood is I can't see through it. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to be ignored for a moment because my visor is fogged up. I can't oh, there you go, it's unfogged. Never mind, I'm not gonna ignore you. I would never ignore you. See, look, the ground is dry as a bone here. Anyways, okay, so where are we? Gas, Ruckus, valves, making noise, sliding through the intersection. Oh, drawing. I'm getting more entries into the drawing for the $30. But so far, it seems like your odds are really good. I don't think it's more than like 15 people so far. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Maybe 20 people. So your odds are still pretty good. The odds are forever in your favor. Yeah, I'll put a link in that below. You can participate in that if you'd like. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like a drawing like that every other month, or I don't know, every time I have something to celebrate. What do you think? I mean, I know people like free stuff, so why not give them more free stuff? I guess that's the logic behind it. Okay. A little popping on the D-cell. It's new. Oh yeah, I switched the coil on here back to the regular coil, wrapped the wire around it. Oh, thanks! How many times are people going to tell me my kickstand's down? Alright, now I get to be behind a giant school bus with exhaust fumes. Ugh. I don't want to smell it because it's really stinky. I always try when I pull up behind a car at a light to pull up on the side that doesn't have the exhaust. That doesn't always become a successful thing. Well, I'm getting close to work. Let's make this a short moto vlog. I hope you liked yesterday's video on the things I wish I knew about moto vlogging. If you you have any ideas of any videos that you want me to make in the next coming few weeks, let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. Or as the Fonz would say, hey. If you've been here for a while, welcome back. Please comment below if you have any questions about anything, or if you have a comment, or if you just want to say hello. No one says hello anymore, just hello. Actually, no one ever has, but maybe this video people could start saying hello all the time. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next episode.